Hi folks, this is just to show you the type of wood that we use here at Irish Pens, because wood and the Irish wood is the heart of the pens that we make. We use woods here, we use bog oak, stunning wood, over 5,000 years old, came out of the boglands in Longford. That's our bog oak we can make from. This one here is yew, again the tree of everlasting life, stunning grain detail in yew. We use a plank and we cut them down into this type of shapes, and then again we cut the pieces out that we think going to give it the best looking pen. This here is Irish alum. This is burled alum, so we sell a burled alum pen. It comes from this particular section of the wood, but burled alum, the alum there, the grain in that wood is just stunning. So that's alum. We also make pens from the stave from a whiskey barrel. So that's a stave from a whiskey barrel. This whiskey barrel came out of Middleton in Cork, where a very famous whiskey is made. For reasons we're not allowed to mention the actual brand name of the whiskey, but if you look up and see what whiskey is made in Middleton in Cork, you'll know what whiskey was matured in this whiskey barrel. What we have here then, the pen we're making today for a US client, is Irish oak. So this is Irish oak. You can see the difference in the grain in Irish oak. It is a very erratic grain because Irish oak grows much slower than it does possibly in the United States, where they have a very quick growing oak with a very straight grain. Our grain is hugely complex because of the way that the oak is actually grown in Ireland. And what we do is we come along, take a piece of oak like this, we then select the part we want for the pen, which is going to be this part here, and then we trim that part down, and then we start making our pen from that. So I'll just show you this as we go through the process.